Is it the right time to buy or sell Coinbase stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Coinbase. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the performance of Coinbase since our last analysis on January 23, 2024. Based on our system, Coinbase has been ranked as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.65. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently showing no significant change with a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 69.49% change expected in the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of earning a return between 69.49% and 184.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 72.49% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 24.24% and 165.99%. In terms of price, this corresponds to a range of $154.29 to $330.33 after a year. Our latest update on Coinbase brings us news of an upgrade to the stock, now rated as hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, the Coinbase stock experienced a decrease of 3.14%, going from $128.21 to $124.19. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 4.83%, moving between a low of $120.33 and a high of $126.15. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 22.1% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally seen as a positive indicator. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.17 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price the stock reached was $187.39, while the lowest price was $46.45. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 33.73%, equivalent to $63.20, below its 52-week high, and 71.09%, equivalent to $305.35, below its all-time high on April 14, 2021, when it reached $429.54. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Citigroup gave Coin a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Needham gave Coin an underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Needham gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Coinbase stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a closer look at Coinbase and analyze the signals that have been identified for this stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Coinbase. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, which suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On corrections up, the stock may encounter resistance at $128.57 and $149.21. However, if it breaks above these levels, it would issue buy signals. It's important to note that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a significant minus 33.36% decline. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. However, it's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I'd like to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell. We also have the pivot signal, which was a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal was a buy signal 53 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a sell signal from 17 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 9 days ago. Now, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe a buy signal from the short moving average 12 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 47 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Coinbase. When it comes to support, Coinbase has found a strong level at $119.77. This means that when the stock price reaches this point, we can expect a potential buying opportunity as it is likely to bounce back up. However, it's important to note that Coinbase is considered a very high-risk stock due to its high volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, in the last day alone, it had a price range of $5.82 or 4.83%. To give you an idea of its overall volatility, Coinbase has had an average daily volatility of 6.54% over the past week. So, it's crucial to be aware of this risk when considering an investment in Coinbase. Before we explore potential trading levels for Coinbase, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or they are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at negative $0.220. It's essential to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Coinbase. If the market is moving upwards, the first resistance level for Coinbase is at $130.78. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to keep in mind for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Coinbase encounters its first support level at $119.77. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for Coinbase according to multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 18, 2024, Rajaram Gokul sold 1,145 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersam Frederick Ernest III sold 8,200 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 33,864 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 26,182 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 23,898 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -45.332, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 221,942 shares and sold 596,898 shares overall. For this stock, we recommend setting a stop loss at $116.12, which is a decrease of 6.5%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 16 days ago. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? When it comes to Coinbase stock, there are some negative signals to consider, which may make it a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could also be seen as a hold candidate or even an opportunity to accumulate more shares while waiting for further development. Our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate Coinbase to open with a decrease of $0.635 and begin trading at $123.56. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to take a closer look at the current view of the stock. We're curious to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading day ahead. From all of us here at Stock Invest, we wish you a beautiful day.